Hello, my friend Stephanie Bernard at the Stamps of Life, and I have some fun things to share with you today. One of them I took on HSN, and it is now available on our website. It is the Picnic Basket Fold It Die Set. Now, if you missed it on HSN, never fear, we will now have it on our website. And this one is so much fun, and I can't wait to share my samples with you. So that's a Fold It, perfect also for banners, right? Or scrapbook pages. We are also releasing, and this is by popular demand, many people have been asking for this one. This is the sunset that I did, sunset, not the sunset at nighttime, but the set of suns that I used for my twin grandson's birthday party. So now after this set, everything that I used for that birthday party is now available on our website, including the party rainbows and the A2 size card bases and everything. This is the suns. I use these for the cupcake toppers mostly, and also on the banner and things like that. And I'm going to show you samples of different sizes because we do have it in a folded card size as well. We're also releasing the 5-petal background panel. Look at how gorgeous this is, perfect for the slimlines, of course, and it also includes the free bonus die, which is the rectangle. So that's even more exciting, right? Because it has that extra banner, that extra border die. I mean, extra panel die. Now, usually you would just use one that you already have, but if you don't have one, this is the perfect set to get both of those. We are also releasing more yummies. Now, these are the Sequins and More that I'm having so much fun with. This is set 3. It includes hibiscus blooms, which is a gorgeous green and pink and just silvery kind of blend. This one is called Falling Leaves. Oranges and greens and yellows, perfect for autumn items and pumpkins. This one is called Forest Gems. Gorgeous, gorgeous greens in there and light greens and dark greens, so pretty. Oh goodness, this one's called Candy Cane. Yes, as the name implies, it is the whites, clears, and reds. Lots of different shapes in there. And this one is called Wisteria Hues. It has lots of purples and jewel tones, greens, and it's absolutely stunning. Don't forget, my friends, on these you can mix and match. I store mine in my Edna bag, and let me tell you, they are fantastic. Let's jump in and look at our samples. Here's an example of the suns, the 2 different sizes that you're gonna get. But I also wanted to show you the large size that is available on our website. This is the card base because I want you to see the difference in size. So look at that, 3 different sizes available. So you're gonna decide, oh, maybe I want this for my banners and this for my cupcake toppers or things like that. So you're gonna have a whole line of different suns that all coordinate together, but then you can use them together as well. Here is a cute little picnic basket. Look at how adorable this guy is. It comes with those cute little flowers. They're ready to decorate. And this one even added little ants in there. So cute. Here's another cute one. Look at how cute that is using our Bear Pudgy number 27. So cute. Here's one that's perfect for picnics or barbecues. I love that. Or you could even use it for Christmas. Look at that, gingerbread greetings. Look at this, you open it up, gingerbread kisses and Christmas wishes. Oh, and a customer even made this one for me. So how fun is that? Oh no, that's by Vanessa. She just wrote a nice note in there. Now, here we go. Here's that Slimline panel, 5-petal flower. Look at how gorgeous that is on monochrome look. Look how pretty that is. I'm moving it around a little so you can really see. Color on color is absolutely gorgeous, having the same color. Here's one with yellow behind it. Look how pretty that is. Birthday hugs. And here's a cute one. Same again, the same color as the front and the back. And just look how much it adds to your slimlines. It's so fun. Now, really quick, here's also that picnic basket as a box. Look how fun that is. So you can use our box it die to make a cute little box, and you can use this as decoration for your table, which is so fun. Now, club members, of course, you're getting the club discount on all of these items. If you're not in the club, you are missing out. You need to go check out our website, thestampsoflife.com, and go see how awesome and amazing our club is. And you know what? If I went too fast on any of these, don't worry. They're all in the online gallery where you can print them, you can like them, and you can share them. Thank you so much, and I'll see you again soon. Bye-bye.